Morning vlog. Morning lovely people. It is Sunday today. Oh my god, I almost forgot. It is Sunday today and I thought I would start a new vlog because I actually woke up in a good mood. Yay. And yeah, I don't know if anything exciting is gonna happen today. What did I do this weekend? I just watched movies yesterday, I think. Did I do anything of note? Oh, I did go out a little bit in the morning, ran some errands. Didn't film any of that, but I think I took like some pictures maybe for like a carousel on TikTok. But yeah, I didn't take any like video. But just a really simple day, simple morning. And I had pizza yesterday that was really delicious from Pizza Boys. Highly recommend if you have that in the country. But yeah, and then I rewatched Saw, the second one, and made me realize how like weird it is that I even like Saw. But yeah, it was, I don't even know if it was enjoyable. It kind of was actually, but yeah, I guess I'm prepping for the new film, which is like a prequel sequel concoction thing. Yeah, and just continued with like YouTube. I'm watching this Netflix reality show called Zombieverse, which is really good. I watched a new film starring Virginie Efira. If you're into French films, she's like one of my favorite. She's Belgian, but she's one of my favorite like French speaking actresses. And I watched this film called Madeline Collins, and it was so bizarre, but she's so incredible in that film. I would actually recommend that as well. But yeah, just really chill. I used to do my skincare, but for some reason this camera is making my skin look really good today, but I don't know if it actually is really good. I really want to get a gua sha. Like, I should really up my skincare game, but I'm just like starting slowly. I also really have been interested in products from The Ordinary, and I know that they're being sold now at Discount, so I think I might have a little bit of a look. Also, I'm trying to hold back from spending all the time. It's really hard to give into temptation, because I was also on the Cotton On website looking at their new bags, and yeah, it's really bad. Did I put something in my cart? I think I put like a white linen-y skirt. Oh my god, I had music playing in the background, but I put a white linen skirt in my cart because I've been wanting it so long. I'll probably try and put a picture if I remember, but yeah, I'm thinking of getting it, even though I think it's definitely overpriced because it's Cotton On. But yeah, I'm thinking of getting it because I've been wanting it like not all year but for a really long time now, and it's just I can never find the right one, like the exact kind of one that I want, and it's just easy. So maybe that's gonna be something that I will get for myself, maybe a little gift to myself, as it is my birthday in a month. So yeah, like why not actually. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it here for now. I'm gonna make some lunch or breakfast, I don't know, it's like 11 something. I want to get a new video out. I don't know if I've talked about this yet. I think I kind of teased this about my new like project, but I think by the time this video comes out there will definitely be some episodes out. So yeah, I guess I'm starting a podcast. a solo podcast, which I think is so much harder than doing a podcast with someone else. And especially if you're like more introverted like me, this is like a really kind of big thing, but it's also really scary and out of my comfort zone. So yeah, I'm excited, but I'm also kind of like nervous, even though it's not really that much pressure, but still it's like it's different from vlogging or creating other types of content, because it's solely kind of based around your thoughts and how you speak and articulate yourself, and just like having a voice and being opinionated. And obviously I do have those things and I am those things, but still it's like a podcast is the real deal. So yeah, hopefully I will put the link to the podcast, which is Mood and Spring, or hopefully just type in Mood and Spring podcast. Hopefully it comes up. Please do subscribe over there and listen to whatever is out. I'm gonna try and get something out today and just kind of focus this next week on getting more episodes out, doing more content, and also making sure that I finish this course that I've been talking about for weeks. But yeah, I really need to finish this course, but I'm excited because I think I might actually finish it, and then I get this really great certification that's just going to be like another little add-on to my resume, and you know, hopefully it's going to get me more kind of job opportunities. But yeah, happy Sunday, let's go.
Two-part series, considering I've done a lot more shopping than I'd like to admit. So this part will be the clothes that I got. As much as I am a proponent for